Good morning, I'm Alexia and a teacher at Parlamondo. Today I'm going to explain some phrasal verbs that are very commonly used in business meetings in English. For non-native speakers, it is very easy to get confused and misunderstand their meanings. The phrasal verbs I'm going to speak to you about today are used for chairing meetings and also for participating in meetings. The first one is to put off. This means to postpone. We can postpone a meeting to a later date. To call off. This means to cancel. To come up. This is used when something important and unexpected happens. A problem came up this morning and then I was late for the meeting. To run through. This means to briefly talk about the important points on the agenda that need to be discussed. To go on or to carry on. This means to continue. To bring up means to mention a topic that you want to discuss in the meeting. To take down. To take down means to write some information or details during the meeting. To get through. To get through means to finish talking about all the points that have to be discussed in the meeting. And finally, to wrap up, which means to conclude and summarize all that has been said in the meeting. Now, let me tell you about a meeting I had yesterday. Last week, I had to put off the meeting until yesterday because something urgent came up. Fortunately, it was only postponed and not called off like the previous meeting. We ran through the agenda and I asked my team to bring up any important points they wanted to speak about during the meeting. My secretary took down some notes as we went along. We went on speaking for a couple of hours, but we managed to get through all the points and wrap up at the agreed time. That's all for today. For more videos on phrasal verbs, visit the Parlamondo page. Thanks for listening and see you next time.